Okay, so what's up, you guys? It's your girl COURTENAY, and I am back with another video. Yes, back with another video. And as y'all can see, we about to eat us some Chick-fil-A, my favorite place. Let's take our glasses off. Okay. So y'all, we in a different location. We got us a Valentine's Day suite. So we always bring y'all along, so because work still have to be done. And yeah, we finna get our eat on. So you want Chick-fil-A sauce? Okay. Yeah, I've never tried Polynesian sauce. I always see people say that Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce is good. Ooh, it's my belly button now. So I'm gonna be trying this for y'all. Okay. It's still a little hot. You gotta go ahead and eat them fries though, cause you know once them kind of fries get cold, they ain't no good. So let me bust open this Chick-fil-A sauce. What's y'all favorite kind of sauce at Chick-fil-A? Let me put you on something new with the Chick-fil-A sauce, huh, babe? Cause babe, the Chick-fil-A sauce, it changed his life. But should I tell them the secret?
No.
Okay. Not yet. Okay. Okay. We gotta stock up first. So I'm gonna try this Polynesian sauce, y'all, for the first time. Let's see. Let's see what people talking about. It's kind of sweet and sour sauce. It's good though. Get a few of these and make some chicken out of it. It's good.
It'll taste good with some nuggets.
Yeah, let me taste some with my sandwich. It's good, y'all. So this gonna come out after V-Day. Comment down below what y'all did for Valentine's Day. It's good. Try your sandwich in there.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh, y'all, can y'all see what I'm doing? Yeah. I got a wide view. So what's your opinion of V-Day, babe? Do you think people should feel like that they should celebrate V-Day? Like, is it mandatory if you don't get me some or do something for me? Yeah.
I mean,
that means you really don't love me?
it's depending on
The couple?
first of all, you shouldn't take one day out the year to love your person, you know, your significant other. Do it every day of the week. Every week, every Friday, you know what I'm saying? Whenever, you know what I'm saying? Do something with your significant other. Don't wait to just one romantic day to just do something with your significant other. And also, don't blow it out of proportion. Like, don't apply pressure to your significant other. Like, don't think like that it's mandatory. And also, fellas, don't feel like you shouldn't, like, you know, do something.
Right.
It shouldn't always be exclusive either. It should be like, you know, let me take this day out to maybe show a little appreciation, flowers and stuff like that. Ladies, don't be suspecting like a car or something like, oh,
Yeah.
you know.
Know your tax, like, you gotta know your tax bracket. You can't be like, oh, he ain't give me no. When y'all both work at McDonald's. Like, look.
Don't be all on social media thinking like, hey, this person got this and this person got this.
Why you ain't get good for me?
Celebrate for you.
And
whatever
then,
you should be, whatever you should get, get what you can. Don't try to make it too much pressure,
And it's one day, y'all. It's one day. Okay, and then also, ladies, stop always thinking that the holiday is only for you. And that your best gift is giving up your cookies.
Right, that ain't no deal.
Like, he get your cookies all the time. So why do you think because you wrap them cookies up in the bowl that's phenomenal? Like, okay. Whether you wrapped it up in the bowl or not, it's still the same cookies. I'm just saying. Like, think of something. Think of something that that your significant other would love. Like, say for instance, my husband loves like cars. Take him to a car show. You know what I'm saying? Or if you ain't got no money, hey, I know you love Camaros. Let's go look at some old school Camaros on the car lot or something like that. It don't cost no money to. And that kind of stuff will bring you so much joy.
Yeah.
With me taking you to see that. Let me tell y'all something. I'm not no gifty type of girl. Like, what you need, babe?
No.
I'm not no gifty type of girl, y'all. I appreciate quality time. That's me.
Right.
I appreciate you ain't gotta spend no whole lot of money with me. I don't care. I just want your time, your love, but so that I guess you gotta know your partner and know what means stuff to them. Cause you may be the one who loves stuff. I'm not knocking you. That's your thing, but.
And then fellas don't think too. It's like I'm just gonna buy some flowers and some candy and be done with it. You know what I'm saying? Don't put more thought into it than that.
Right.
Go write a personal card or something. Write a card. Make your own card to your lover,
Right. That means more.
And a lot of people like to just straight up go out to eat.
I think that's good if y'all don't do that kind of stuff often, And you go around and have a nice dinner. I think that's nice. It's a lover's day.
So the key is just don't overthink it. Just roll with the flow.
Roll with the flow.
Roll with the flow.
I've been in this Polynesian sauce more than Chick-fil-A sauce. I must do like it. It's good, y'all. It's good. So, we're about to get dressed. And we're going to get out of these scrizzies. So, should I finish my food? Or just end the video? Okay, any more advice?
Nah.
You pretty much covered everything.
If we went live, as soon as people asking questions, you feel me?
Yeah. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. Please make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, please make sure that your post notification bell is on so you can be notified every time your girl and your boy upload a video here on the channel. I love We love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. And I'll see y'all in the next vid. Oh, peace.